your hands on the wheel.
I promise not to record over this loud this time.
Promise not to get drunk and
I promise not to
record
get
over the
drunk.
luau.
Well, I don't promise not to get drunk, but not to record over the luau.
Wow. Funny. There's a lot more trees than there were just back there.
Yeah.
And the canyon should be off to the left, I think. There's the ocean back there.
What is that?
Waimea Canyon State Park. We're getting there, yeah. Okay, I'll record when we do it, turn off.